Are you packing for air travel Northern Tier? Then this video's for you. Hey, real quick, right before we jump into this video, if you'd do me a huge favor and hit that like button. Also, thank you for subscribing to this channel. If you'd like to be notified of future videos, please hit that bell icon. Have a great day and enjoy this video. Really quick, before we get into this video, there are companion videos in which I cover traveling with Scouts and how to pack for air travel. So I will not reproduce all of that information in this video. This video is specific to air travel to Northern Tier. So let's talk about packing. I want to give myself and my crew as much as an opportunity for trip critical clothing and equipment to show up at my destination airport. In this case, that's Minneapolis-St. Paul International Airport, which is in the city of Minneapolis. Just for reference, Minneapolis is about a 4-hour drive north to Ely, Minnesota, where Northern Tier is located. Well, actually it's 4.5 hours because Northern Tier is about 30 minutes outside of Ely. Okay, what to wear? Well, you're going to wear your field uniform shirt and then wear all of your backcountry on the water clothes, to include your hat and your sunglasses or your prescription glasses. Also wear your on-the-water boots. If you've chosen the NRS work boots, remember these can be difficult to take off, which is great for being sunk in mud at a beaver dam, but not great at airport security. So wear your backcountry shoes and just hand carry your NRS boots through security, and then once you get through security, put your work boots back on and stow your shoes in your day pack. So back to packing. You will have 2 carry-on bags and 1 checked bag. Your 2 carry-on bags will be your 35-liter dry bag and your day pack. Your checked bag will be your duffel bag. When traveling, there will be times when you will need to transport both of your carry-on bags and your checked bag at the same time. My advice is to place your duffel bag on your back, like a backpack, put on your day pack backwards so that it rides in front of you, and hand carry your 35-liter duffel bag. So let's go through your carry-on bags first. Inside your 35-liter bag should be all of your personal items, as I explained in my personal gear list video. This would include your sleeping bag and your air mattress. Add to your 35-liter dry bag, if there's space, your 5 or 10-liter dry bag that you would clip to your life jacket and carry in the canoe with you. Make sure you have removed any items like your knife so you can get through airport security. In your day pack, put your Nalgene bottle, your puffy jacket, your rain gear, and all other trip critical items. Remember, if you're running low on space, you can wear your puffy jacket and your rain jacket onto the plane and then just take it off once you get on the plane. Now for your check bag, make sure any items that can't be carried through airport security, like knives, are inside your check bag. And I don't want to be Captain Obvious here, but your check bag is for everything else that you need to take to Northern Tier that isn't going to fit in your carry-ons. So things like your personal life jacket, if you take one, your uniform pants or your shorts, travel clothes and toiletries and things like that. Of course, if your sleeping bag or air mattress doesn't fit inside of your 35-liter dry bag, then that's going inside your check bag as well. Make sure you put 2 to 3 large trash bags inside your check bag. The trash bags are for wet clothes and boots and shoes for the return tip home. The reality is your check bag may not be full on the trip to Northern Tier. The space inside your check bag is for the trip home from Northern Tier. If needed, to save money if you have bag fees, crew members may be able to double up and put their checked items inside of one checked bag, and then for the trip home, they'll each have their own duffel bag. Now for crew gear, make sure your crew gear is carried on, especially the first aid kit and the GPS. And don't forget any paperwork as well. So let's briefly talk about packing for the trip home. Make sure to put your knives in your check bag. Your wet clothes and boots go in the trash bags in your check bag. All of your backcountry clothes will go in your check bag because they stink. Pack up as much as you can in your check bag. So there you go. Those are my ideas on how to pack for air travel to Northern Tier. And the reason I suggest packing this way is so that if something were to happen and you were to lose a bag or your bag gets delayed on its way to Northern Tier, it hopefully won't keep you from going out in the backcountry and ruining your trip. I also want to mention, of course, everybody has a different idea on how to do this. That's okay. This is just based off of my experience, the best way to do it. Also, to save baggage fees, which I know can add up. Again, in the video reference, you can consolidate multiple people into one checked bag. Just make sure that you have enough room inside your luggage on the way home, especially any checked baggage, to get all of your stuff back home. Because when you pack to come home, you're not going to be wearing your backcountry clothes because they'll stink. So then you'll be wearing a travel uniform on the way home, so you need to make sure you have room for all of your backcountry clothes and boots that you wore on you to Northern Tier. You need to be able to get all that stuff back home. So make sure you think all of that out before you are packing up at Northern Tier to come home and realize, oops, I don't have enough space. So there you go. I hope you have a great trip. Have an awesome day. Hey, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you'd like to support this channel, remember, please subscribe to this channel. Tell your friends about it. Thanks for hitting that like button. Everything here is free. I want to give back to the community. I want to give to you everything here for free. I've been out in the outdoors for a long, long time, and it's great that I can be able to give all this information to you. That is what's most important to me. If you would like to give back, I do have a GoFundMe page set up, and you can follow the link. And if you'd like to, if you're a youth with your parents' support, I would gladly accept your donations. Thank you and have a blessed day.